This is our disco one. Look under the back panel. What was going on? Just rust. So we decided to rebuild it to make it like new. These are all the sections we cut out, painted, and rebuilt with patience. A lot of hours, a lot of work. My son and I. This was probably the first job we did on the disco one. When we removed the aluminium panels, we discovered something we'd never seen before. A lot of patience, a lot of hours, a lot of work. A lot of cutting, welding, painting, yet 2 to 3 months of work just for this section, the back of the car under the aluminium panels. This was the situation. Everything corrected, every piece of rust removed. The silver paint is only for welding purposes. This isn't paint, it's just zinc. Then the anti-rust paint is white, and the final paint is red with a lacquer top coat. Look at the situation, really bad. This is my son welding. It was his first attempt at welding, and I'm very proud of him. The situation under the rear wheel arches was terrible. Under the carpet, everything had rotted out. Piece by piece, we did our best. And then the fun part. Painting, anti-rust protection, 2K color, then the final coral red paint, and lacquer to finish everything in the car's body color. So this is finished body, ready to be connected to the chassis. Thank you.